Hi, my name is Matt with Quick Response Fire Supply, and today I want to talk about unbranded or generic escutcheons, when they may be useful, and the different types available. Sometimes we need a replacement fire sprinkler escutcheon that is no longer manufactured. This can happen when your fire sprinkler heads themselves may still be in proper working condition, but the escutcheons aren't. However, many obsolete sprinklers do not have an escutcheon available on the market. This is when unbranded escutcheons may be useful. It's important to note that these escutcheons are not listed or approved by any listings organizations or the manufacturers for use with listed fire sprinkler heads. If there is a listed escutcheon available, we highly recommend finding and installing the approved option. To do this, you can click the link in the description to use our Quick Finder tool to find the appropriate escutcheon. There are many different types of unbranded escutcheons available, and we're going to focus on the primary few that are regularly manufactured. These include the one-piece, the two-piece recessed, and the adjustable, which are typically available in brass, chrome, white, and sometimes even black. They are also available for retrofit or split ring applications. This means that your escutcheon can be split in half, allowing for installation on sprinklers that have already been installed, whereas traditional escutcheons need to be installed prior to the initial sprinkler head installation. These generic escutcheons are available for both applications. One-piece escutcheons, also called flush, flat, and surface-mounted escutcheons, are just that. They are one piece that fits directly behind your sprinkler head. These are available in different protruding heights. Two-piece recessed escutcheons feature the same construction as listed recessed escutcheons. They are the most common amongst popular sprinkler manufacturers. These feature an inner ring that installs around a sprinkler head and an outer ring that recesses into the wall. The ones we carry allow for a 3/4 inch adjustment. Adjustable escutcheons, also known as 401 escutcheons, are two pieces. They include a cup and a skirt. The cup can either be split or non-split and installed directly around the sprinkler head. They also feature a skirt, which is available in 3 different standard options, which we refer to as skirt A, skirt B, and skirt C. These install around the cup and allow for maximum adjustment sizes much greater than the traditional recessed or one-piece escutcheons. Again, remember that these escutcheons are not specifically listed for use with any fire sprinkler head. It's always best to find the sprinkler's proper escutcheon if it's available. To view our full selection of unbranded fire sprinkler escutcheons, visit QRFS.com/generic.